Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Tezos is doing today. So I mentioned in the last video that we were going to probably encounter resistance at the 50% retracement. So what? $3.28, which we did. Now we had a pullback. Now this is look like we need to catch up with the 20-day moving average, right? So it looks like to me that we're going to reach out the 61% retracement. You know, this is a 23% retracement too at $2.74. I don't think, I mean, it's possible that we can retest that and then bounce right back, but I don't see it like that high of a chance of happening because you got the 200-day moving average, you know, creeping higher, and you also have this drifting lower. So it looks like they're just gonna meet in the middle at the 61% retracement, so $2.83. So that's just something to keep in mind right there. Once we meet, and then we got to see what price action is telling us, because you know, before we get all excited of how much money we need to make, we need to make sure the price action tells us that we're gonna make some money. So that being said, by the way guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're gonna reach out to 7 billion people, and we're gonna help everyone in the world teach them how to make money on the crypto markets. And if you guys get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money. So that being said, I don't see this like substantially breaking lower. I mean, I know that it looks like somewhat bearish because we started to break lower, but it looks like we're going to encounter resistance into $2.83. RSI is looking bearish too, but I don't think it's the end of the world just yet, because you got, you know, Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, so that's good. Now if Ethereum went to the pooper, that's a different story, because then we definitely, you know, meet with the 200-day moving average, which will be $2.48, because more likely this will take a few days to materialize. We'll break below the 20-day, and then we will just hold here, and then here will be a very decisive moment, because if we continue breaking lower, and then, you know, definitely the 38% retracement, so $2.14, and then possibly all the way down to $1.71. Now, I don't think we're going to get there. At least as of right now, things are looking decent. That being said, let's just kind of draw some trend lines here and see if we can put anything together. Let's see, worst case scenario, here's your 200-day moving average, which is kind of lining up with this trend line from the swing low from March 13 and July 5th. So worst case scenario, we'll retest $2.48. So I don't think risk to reward is quite there for you to do anything on this pair. I mean, risk to reward is essential if you want to survive long term. Like I said, I think we're going to encounter resistance at the 61% retracement, $2.83. So we just have to wait and see what's going to happen once we get to there, and see if we're going to break a little bit lower. But I don't see, you know, anything going below $2.48, at least as of right now, because then you got quite a bit of room to move higher. I mean, your next line in the sand will be this 61% retracement, so $3.52, and ultimately we got to take this basically $4. We got to take $4 out, and then we're talking. So there's not a good entry point, so I wouldn't do anything right now. And by the way guys, if we're trying to narrow down how often we're going to post the videos, so just leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them. That way we can start working some magic for you guys. Also in the private chat, we're posting every day, so we're just kind of experimenting here in the YouTube channel. And if you guys get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and pulverize that like button. Thanks again guys.